in main answer script and 12 pages in supplementary answer script designed for e-marking. You should not write your answers on the back page of the front page and the back cover page of your answer script. Anything written on these pages will not be considered for marking. You are allowed to write answers on 29 pages in the main answer script and on 9 pages in the supplementary answer script. Start each question on a new page. However, an answer could be extended to any number of pages. There are 2 barcodes on every page. First barcode is at the top, while second is at the bottom of the page. Avoid writing on the barcodes. Any damage to the barcodes would hinder the electronic processing of your answer script. There are 4 L-shaped marks at every corner of each page. Anything written outside these marks will not be considered for marking. You should write the question number which you are attempting in the square-shaped boxes present in the first row at every page. Example 1. If you are attempting question 1 and it has no subparts, then write 1 in the first box and leave the second and third box blank. Example 2. If question 2 has 2 subparts and you are attempting question 2A, then write 2 in the first box, A in the second box, and leave the third box blank. Before submission of the answer script, check and ensure that front page of main and all supplementary answer script taken by you have properly been filled in. You have marked the number of supplementary scripts attached in the relevant box at the front page of main answer script, and you have marked the supplementary number in the relevant boxes at all the supplementary answer scripts taken by you. After checking, you should ask the invigilator to staple your supplementary scripts with your main answer script at the time of submitting your answer script.